Today we're going to make dish soap explosions. So first, add milk. Then put one or two drops of every food coloring. In the middle. Then put your Q-tip over the napkin and then pour dish soap onto the Q-tip. Then stick the Q-tip right in the middle, and there you have it, a big explosion.
Good job, bud.